enjoy nice fashion. Everything seems finished alright. There are no residual water underneath. It's the water here. This looks normal. I'm going to get this out. Let's push on this side. Push like this. There we go. Got this. This out. See the ball? The ball just stuck. It meant to just drop down if you the ball inside here. Just stuck there. See? It's not moving. It's not moving. Just stuck there. The rubber is oily, I guess. Just made the ball stuck there. It's not moving. Yeah, here we go. It's moving now. So I got this new one. Got this from eBay. It's from a local seller. Pretty quick. Order on Monday and got it on Tuesday. It's made in Germany. Interesting. Gonna replace it. So to replace it on this angle, 45 degree, go in. 45 degree. No. Not sure. Yeah, that's just like the right position. This little thing need a clean. Okay, find something. It's always different in here. See this? This is different. New one just not clicking. Let me try again. That's finished correctly.